Okay, so game 3 between Hinebra and TNT. Yung unang dalawang laro, talagang TNT's defense, yung talagang nasa forefront ng mga naganap, mga pangyayari. And it seemed like parang mahirap siyang problem to solve sa Hinebra's part. Like, yung unang dalawang laro, parang hinahanap nila ng hinahanap saan yung advantages na pwede nilang makuha, ano yung mga actions na pwede nilang ipuwersa, pwede nilang kunin para makakuha sila ng advantage over TNT. Kasi TNT, they've been doing their assignment and they have a game plan na gumana and talagang sobrang fine-tuned nung game plan nila para pahirapan yung Barangay Hinebra. So, nung game 1, nakita ko lang, post-game interview, it was Chot Reyes saying na data-driven team sila and alam nila yung strengths ng Barangay Hinebra. And yun yung naging reason, yun yung naging, yung punot dulo sa game plan nila kung bakit ganun yung game plan na kinam up nila. So, ito yung interview na yun.
Strength of Hinebra, we're a very data-driven team, so we looked at the numbers and we focused really on that, really taking away their strengths and making sure that we lean on what our strength really is, which is our ability to stop teams, to play defense.
So ang question ngayon, ano ba talaga yung strength ng Hinebra na yon na tinutukoy nila? Kasi even ako, I've been saying this all conference, na yung Barangay Hinebra ngayong conference, ibang Hinebra sila. Hindi sila yung usual Hinebra na mabagal, execute, triangle, points in the paint. Talagang yung Hinebra this conference, talagang ano sila, offensive team sila dahil puro Guardian team nila eh. They had to be an offensive team. They had to be a fast team. Kasi puro Guardian team nila, wala sila masyadong big man. And yun yung naging parang identity nila this conference. Okay? 3-point shooting team sila, mabilis sila, fast-paced, guard-oriented. So, yun yung data na naipon all conference long. So, yun yung ina-assess ng lahat. Even ako. Okay? Kung ano yung quote-unquote strength ng Barangay Hinebra. Pero ngayon, ang question, ano nga ba talaga yung strength ng Hinebra? Okay? Sa core. So, ang naging game plan nila, this game, mula simula hanggang dulo, they even started LA Tenorio to control the pace. Game plan nila is to slow the game down, mag-execute ng offense, ng triangle, okay? Kumuha ng good looks, and wag mag-aksaya ng energy, okay? So, kumbaga, by doing this, nakokontrol nila yung pace ng laro. So, nagiging half-court yung laban for both teams, okay? So, if you think about it, TNT, yes, better defensive team sila. Sila number best defensive team sa buong liga. Bakit ka maglalaro ng half-court against the best defensive team na hindi ka nga makascore for the first 2 games? Doon na tayo mag-uuno reverse card. Uno reverse card, ibig sabihin niya, binaliktad mo yung sitwasyon. Okay? Uno reverse card. So, bakit? Kasi, yes, TNT can defend Hinebra. Pero, okay, if Hinebra really focused and really, you know, in-emphasize nila yung execution nila, okay? Executing their offense, meron silang slight advantage over TNT. Okay? Kaya gamit na gamit si LA Tenorio and si Joe Devance for this game. LA Tenorio, okay? He played 16 minutes. Joe Devance played 15 minutes. Okay? Numbers wise, yes, LA Tenorio scored 10 points. Meron siyang marami-raming steals, 4 steals. Joe Devance 2 points, 2 assists, 1 rebound. Fine, 'di ba? Pero hindi 'yun yung titignan mo eh. Titignan mo dito kung paano sila nag-contribute executing the offense and finding the right opportunities na pwede nilang atakihin. So ito, triangle offense. Again, please, wag niyo nang i-copyright. Diba, naging creative na nga tayo sa ating format. Okay, Hinebra, nag-triangle sila, okay? Kung makikita niyo yung shot clock dito, it was 16 seconds. Okay, tuwing makakakuha sila ng defensive stop, nilalakad nila yung possession nila as in talagang hinihintay nila. Baba muna tayo. Makikita nyo, ganito nga yung ginagawa ni Tim Cone. Every defensive stop, parang kumalma kayo, set up the offense, kumalma. Okay, again, going back. Triangle offense. Again, hindi nga nag-adjust. Parang adjustment lang nila. Mag-double down sa pagiging Hinebra. Okay, bumalik tayo sa identity natin na sa team. Tama na yung 3 points. Tama na yung takbuhan. Kasi pag tumatakbo ang Hinebra, yung TNT, gusto rin naman nilang tumakbo eh, di ba? Kasi kahit na defensive team sila, nakukuha nila yung points nila sa transition and sa secondary break. So ngayon, pag binagalan mo yung laro, you also make TNT a half-court team na pagdating dun sa ganong bagay, okay, mas lamang ka ng konti as an offensive team. So dito, triangle offense, sideline triangle to Japet Aguilar sa poste. There's going to be a down screen from Scottie Thompson to Justin Brownlee. Paangat dito sa may 15 feet. And again, very patient. 10 seconds remaining, 9. Tsaka lang nakasalo si Brownlee pero nasa spot siya niya. Okay, against a very good defender. Pero again, okay, this is what you want. Okay? Nasa spot si Brownlee, comfortable naman siya enough to rise up and shoot the basketball. So again, execution, being patient, walang wasted energy kasi magtakbuhan sila for ilang minutes, mapapagod lang si Brownlee, mapapagod lang si Japet, short rotation na nga. But they'd rather execute. Dito naman, okay, again, similar play. Sideline triangle, Justin Brownlee, okay, yan yung triangle dito. So ngayon, Joe Devance ngayon yung nasa pinch post. Okay? Walang pass to the top kay Scottie Thompson dito. So, Joe Devance had to flash, tuk-tuk, para sa blind pig. Okay? Pagka blind pig, face up si Joe Devance, nakita niya si Scottie Thompson kumakat sa basket. Classic Hinebra play na, to be honest, bihira akong makita ngayong conference. Ngayon ko na lang yata ulit nakita tong play na to, yung blind pig. So again, it was Hinebra going back to their roots. Bagalan natin yung laro, mag-execute tayo. Dito tayo may advantage eh. Bakit ako mag-a-adjust sa TNT kung pwede naman kayo yung mag-adjust sa akin? Yes, it's still an adjustment, pero para siyang counterintuitive. Para siyang anti-analytics, anti-adjustment. Kumbaga hindi sila nag-adjust, bumalik lang sila sa kung ano sila noon. So ayun, again, yung game, kapag boring siya, mabagal, walang pace yung laro, advantage yun for Hinebra. Kasi kung makikita natin dito, kahit na dito sa part na to, okay, 12 fast break points for TNT kontra sa 6 ng Hinebra. Still, yung 12 points, konti yan for TNT standards. So, bali parang ano lang yan, 2 3 points, mga 2 layup, tsaka isang normal na basket. Ganun lang yun. And mostly, base sa game kanina, yan yung mga magra-run yung Hinebra, magcha-chant yung crowd ng Hinebra, tapos makakashoot si Pugoy ng 3 points, so 3 na kagad yun. Mga 2 beses nangyari yung kanina. Ang nangyari dito is that Hinebra went back to their roots and now they are playing basketball that's favorable for Hinebra. And again, nung pagdating na ng fourth quarter, since na-manage yun ng Hinebra, yung minutes na mga players nila, hindi na ganun kapagod, okay? Justin Brownlee, 44 minutes compared to 48, di ba? Still, mataas yung 44, pero 48 si Ronday eh. Meron ka pa rin 4 minutes sa pahinga. Okay, Scottie Thompson, 32, Japet, 34. Still, mataas yung numbers, pero kung makikita natin sa bench, okay, meron kang LA Tenore na naka-16, may RJ ka na naka-15, may JDV ka na naka-15, may Ralph ko ka na 8 minutes. So, kumbaga, mas fairly managed or mas fresher yung Hinebra compared nung game 2. So, pagdating ng fourth quarter, okay, doon na sila ngayon rumatsyada. And kaninang umaga, nag-tweet ako sa Twitter, okay, 10:24 a.m. ng kaninang umaga, nag-tweet ako, sabi ko, pick and roll. Okay? Nung game 2, napansin ko na nakahanap sila ng konting success getting better looks running the pick and roll. Okay? Yon Spain pick and roll. Di lang na shoot ni Japet Aguilar. But again, it was a pick and roll. Dito, inverted pick and roll. Brownlee, tsaka Stephen Holt. Okay? Long close out from RJ. Natake ni Holt. Jumper. Okay? So ngayon, sa larong to, late in the game, okay, tinakbo ngayon nila yung pick and roll. Ngayon, si Maverick Kahanmisi. Dito, kung makikita natin, mali pala, okay? Mauna pala yung clip na LA Tenorio. Okay, dito. Okay. Scottie Thompson, Japet Aguilar, 2-man game, pero merong LA Tenorio dito sa stack, nakaabang. Okay? Magsiset ng back pick kay JP Aram. So, tinakbo ulit na yung Spain from the clip kanina. Okay? Umangat si LA Tenorio, merong screen from Japet Aguilar. Ngayon, humahabol si Castro kay LA. LA shoots the runner. Pasok. Again, pick and roll. Dito, late in the game, 4 minutes remaining sa laro. Okay, high ball screen, Maverick Kahanmisi and Japet Aguilar. You have shooters sa corner. Brownlee, Scottie, Holt. So ngayon, ang luwag ng court. Okay, may room to operate. And inaatake mo sa JP Aram na rim protector, nilalagay mo sa tuktok ng court para mag-defend ng dumadownhill na Maverick Kahanmisi. So Maverick Kahanmisi, nag-snake ng pick and roll, pull up, 2 points, pasok. Then panapos ng laro, again, high ball screen, Scottie Thompson, Justin Brownlee, Scottie attacks the screen, gathers the ball, layup, 2 points. Again, good look of the pick and roll. So yun, panalo ang Hinebra kontra sa TNT this game. Honestly, first to second quarter, pinapanood ko, sabi ko, sustainable kaya itong ginagawa ng Ginebra kasi parang isang malaking run lang from TNT. Tapos na yung laro eh. Mag 7-0 run lang TNT, tapos na yung laro eh. Kasi sobrang bagal ng pace ng Ginebra. Lahat ng points nila kayod. Kumbaga yung 8-point lead na nabubuo nila, kayod na kayod. Tapos masushutan lang ng 2 3 points. May 2-point lead na lang ulit. So, parang inisip ko kanina, parang isang run lang ng TNT to, Delix na. Pero again, props to Ginebra, nakapag-adjust sila kontra sa game plan ng TNT. And not necessarily an adjustment, talagang bumalik lang sila sa kung ano talaga silang team. And yung strengths na pinipigilan ng TNT, all of a sudden, it felt like na parang medyo obsolete kasi iba na yung playstyle ng Ginebra. Okay, they're patient, they're executing, they're really looking for the shot that they really want. Hindi sila yung tipo na namimilit ng opensa. Talagang naghahanap lang sila, nag-execute lang sila. Eh, nakikita nila yung opening. Hindi, parang buong laro feeling ko, wala silang pinwersang kahit na nag-basketball lang sila. And ayun, yun yung naging resulta.